So guys, recently I've been uploading quite a lot of videos on this Samsung Galaxy M30s, and as you guys well aware that this smartphone comes with 3 cameras. So I've thought let's test them. So here I am testing the cameras of this Samsung Galaxy M30s. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a full camera review of this Samsung Galaxy M30s. So let's begin. So first of all guys, let me give you the specification of the rear cameras. It has 3 rear cameras. The primary sensor is 48 megapixel with the aperture of f2.0. Then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with the aperture of f2.2. Then we have 5 megapixel lens that is a depth sensor with the aperture of f2.2. And it can also shoot 4K videos at 30 fps, 1080p videos at 30 fps with DIS. Let's see some of the pictures which I've taken. So let's start with the daylighting situation guys. So as you see, I have taken this picture, CST. I have to say the dynamic range is just amazing, even though the details is not that good, and overall colors, saturation, fantastic. As you see over here, I am quite impressed with the pictures. I mean, it is not as good as some other devices which I have seen in this price category. I have already compared them. You can definitely check those videos out. I will leave the card. But still, the camera performs really good. And then also we can move to the ultra wide. First of all, I have to say it is very, very wide and it gives you very amazing perspective. You get really good quality pictures. I mean, it does not have very good details. The 8 megapixel picture still, we are getting really, really good picture. And there are some noticeable distortion too. But I love the ultra wide pictures that this phone offers. And also with the help of that 5 megapixel sensor, we can take depth sensor photo, basically have portrait mode picture, and the quality turns out to be really decent enough, not bad. Moving to the indoor lighting situation guys, here also the camera performs surprisingly really good. There are very less noticeable noise and the details are pretty good enough, and even the ultra wide performs pretty decently. There are some visible noise present, but still it performs very nicely in the indoor lighting situation as you see over here. And moving to the low lighting situation, here I have to say it struggles to capture the pictures properly, but still they are very acceptable in my opinion, especially if you consider that it's a Samsung phone. But as you see, outside night shot, not bad. I mean, there is a huge amount of noise present in this picture, but still they are acceptable. Moving to the video department guys, this is a video which I have shot. Do watch the videos guys and do judge them and do let me know what do you think about them. So guys, this is a 4K 30 fps video recording from the rear facing camera of M30s, and I'm walking slowly, so please guys judge the quality, stabilization and the dynamic range by yourself. So guys, this is the 1080p 30 fps setting and I'm just walking, and by the way this is the video. I am recording these videos from the rear facing camera of M30s. So yeah, please judge the dynamic range, stabilization and all those things which are necessary. So yeah guys. So guys, this was the rear camera. Now let's move to the front facing camera. First of all, let me tell you that it has a single front facing camera in this notch, and the camera is 16 megapixel with aperture of 2.0. So yeah, let's see some of the pictures which I have took. As you see, these are some daylighting pictures which I have took, and I have to say I'm quite impressed with the selfies that it can capture. I mean, the dynamic range is very, very bad in my opinion. It should be better, but still the selfies are very, very acceptable. They are really good at this price range. As you see, we can also take portrait mode pictures and they are quite decent. And moving to the indoor lighting situation, here also I can say that it's quite acceptable, not bad at all. I mean, at this price range it is quite acceptable, I can say that. Even in the very low lighting situation, you can take some very acceptable pictures from the front facing camera, so that's great. And also you can make videos from the front facing camera too, so do judge them and do let me know. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and right now I'm shooting this video with the front facing camera of Samsung Galaxy M30s. So yeah guys, this was the video from the front facing camera, and I have to say I am not impressed with the front facing camera's video. The dynamic range was very pathetic. Videos are very shaky too, so yeah. So overall I can say that you can definitely use the cameras to capture some pictures for social media and all. Don't rely on these cameras for professional work, but still they are very decent. So yeah, this was my camera review of this Samsung Galaxy M30s. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, and hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or who are looking to buy any smartphone in the price category of 15,000 or below 15,000. So this video will be very, very helpful for them. So yeah, feel free to share this video. And guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe this channel and hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post next video or new videos on this phone and another phones like OnePlus 70 and all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.